Tom, Jane, and Sue each purchased a new house. The average price of the three houses was 120,000. So the total price will be equal to 120,000 multiplied by 3 is equal to 360,000. I've just eliminated these three zeros because I just like to play with the smaller numbers. That's always easier. The question is talking about the median price, so we need to get the median value. We have to distribute this 360 into three parts in the ascending order, and then we need to find out the middle value. Let's check the first statement, which says that the price of the Tom's house was $110,000. If the Tom's house was 110,000, then for Sue and Jane, the price could be 120,000 and 130,000, so that the sum is equal to 360, and in which case the median becomes 120. The other possibility is that when Tom is equal to at 110,000, then Sue could be equal to 115,000, while in that case Jane will be equal to 135,000. The sum is still 360, but the median is sometimes 120,000, one times 115,000, inconsistent value. That means the statement alone is not sufficient to answer the question, and option A and D are out. Now let's check the second statement. The second statement says that the price of the Jane's house is equal to 120,000. That means the price of the remaining, that means Tom and Sue's house, is equal to 360 minus 120, that means 240. Now there can be many possible distribution of 240 between these two houses. For example, when Jane is equal to 120, Tom could be 110 and Sue could be 130, but Tom could be 115, in which case Sue will be equal to 125. If Tom becomes 100, then Sue will be equal to 240. If Tom becomes 90, then Sue will be equal to 250, many such possibilities. But in every such possibility, we have to see that what is the median. Now many students at this stage say that since we are getting different solutions, so it's not sufficient. See, we should not deal with data sufficiency this way. We should always keep our eyes on what is the question statement. The question statement is about the median. In the first case, if you look at the median, then it is 120. The second case, median is again 120. In the third case, the median is again 120. In the fourth case as well, the median is 120. It's a simple distribution that now one price is fixed in the second statement, that is 120. If one price is greater than 120, then the other price will be less than 120 because sum of the remaining two is 240. Therefore, the median will always remain at 120 and the three prices will always be in arithmetic progression in a way. So since the median is always fixed 120, so we have the unique answer to the question. So we say that the second statement alone is sufficient, and the final answer to the question becomes option B. Thank you so much.